Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make teams in Roblox Studio. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically making teams in Roblox Studio is not that hard, and what you basically need is your toolbox and your explorer and your properties. You can make sure they show on your screen if you open the view tab over here, and as you can see, open the explorer and the properties, and also you're going to have the explorer and properties also opened, and you've got your toolbox here. So basically what we need to do is we're going to need two neutral spawns. Okay, so I'm going to add this first neutral spawn and this second neutral spawn. Okay, now from the first neutral spawn I'm going to click on it and go on the properties and go down until you find something called team. Okay, as you can see here, and then you're going to change the teams tab. We're going to change it from neutral. You're going to uncheck this one. Okay, and make sure to color the team whatever you want. I will color this one red. Okay, and once you have this, you're going to go on to the other spawning tab, and you're going to do the same thing. Remove the neutral color, remove the neutral team. My bad. And then going on to the team color, and I'll maybe make it look blue. Okay, and now we have both of these in neutral spawn locations as both different teams. Okay, but there's one last thing that we need to do is through the explorer we're going to scroll down until teams, and then we're going to click the add icon, and then we're going to click on team. Now we're going to open on team, and then once that, you're going to name the team let's say red, and then the color needs to be the same. So I have the red color team is going to spawn here, and another team I'm going to add, which is called where is the team? I added the team, another team over here. I'm going to name it as add team, and then once you go on to here, you're going to name the team blue, and then from white you're going to name it. I have the same color, and as you can see, we've got both of the spawning locations with both of the teams, and this is basically how you can make teams in Roblox Studio. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.